Picture this. Somewhere deep inside cryptoland, there's a team building a secret army of hardware rigs, ASIC-powered chips, and GPU miners. Not to mine coins, but to generate zero-knowledge proofs blazing fast. That army is called Cysic. In this video, we dig into what Cysic really is, why CYS might be one of the most under-the-radar tokens with serious backing, and whether this could be part of blockchain's backbone, or just another overpromised dream. Cysic Network is a hardware-accelerated ZK proof generation and verification layer, meaning it builds specialized ASIC chips and uses GPU FPGA plus community hardware to power zero-knowledge cryptography for blockchains, ZK rollups, ZK ML, ZK bridges, pretty much any project that needs heavy compute plus privacy plus proof. They call it ComputeFi, turning compute power into a tokenized monetizable resource. Instead of just storing data or trading tokens, you're effectively mining proofs. And yeah, in crypto, that can be profitable. Cysic aims to become the backbone for many ZK-based projects: privacy apps, ZK rollups, bridges, ZK-powered ML AI. If you imagine blockchains as highways, Cysic builds not just the roads, but the tunnels, the underpasses, the secret passages, the fast lanes nobody else can build. Short version, Cysic = crypto's secret supercomputer plus proof farm. If ZK is the future, Cysic wants to supply the fuel. Cysic combines ASIC chips, GPUs, and a community-driven prover network to dramatically speed up ZK proof generation and verification. Their hardware, like the Troy C1 chip or ZK Air/ZK Pro rigs, is advertised to outperform standard GPU setups. Real computing power under the hood. They build on Cosmos SDK plus EVM-compatible stack, which means compatibility with many existing blockchain and ZK ecosystems. The consensus model, proof of compute, POC, want provers, hardware contributors, do the heavy compute, verifiers check proofs, then consensus, BFT via Comet BFT, finalizes blocks. This lets Cysic be both decentralized and high performance for everyday developers' projects. Instead of needing their own massive hardware to generate ZK proofs, slow, expensive, they can outsource to Cysic Network, while pay in CYS tokens. Get proofs done fast, ride the rails. This lowers barrier, speeds development, and democratizes ZK access. In human terms, imagine Netflix streaming, but for ZK proofs. Instead of you building your own server farm to render proofs, you just stream from Cysic's supercomputer farm. CYS is the native utility token of the network. It's used to pay for compute tasks, gas, fees, stake for security, and incentivize provers and verifiers. When you stake CYS, you get governance rights via a credit token/governance token mechanism, giving you a say in network parameters, distribution, resource allocation, part of skin in the game plus governance setup. The project raised about $18 million across seed plus pre-series A rounds, led by big-name investors like Polychain Capital, Hashkey Capital, OKX Ventures, Web3 Foundation, etc. The network aims to launch soon, mainnet after testnet phases, and when active, provers, hardware providers, plus users, projects needing ZK compute, will generate demand, which means CYS utility plus usage may ramp up. So, CYS = not just another coin, but the fuel token for a compute backbone that aims to serve hundreds of blockchain and ZK projects. Cysic already completed early funding, built hardware prototypes, ran testnet phases. As the ZK rollups/privacy/ZK ML wave intensifies, with Ethereum, Layer 2s, ZK bridges, AI models needing privacy, etc., demand for efficient ZK proving will escalate. Cysic stands to be one of the main infrastructure providers. If Cysic delivers working hardware, plus stable compute network plus decent adoption, provers plus users plus partnerships, CYS could go from speculative token to core infrastructure token. Think AWS plus NVIDIA plus blockchain merge.